Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an autoresponder series using Aweber. So we're on the main page of Aweber again when we're logged in, and we're logged in with our list. And what we want to do is go to where it says messages, and we're going to click on follow up series. And that's how they call autoresponder series. So we're going to go to create your first follow up. So now we're going to create the welcome message for the autoresponder series. And this is the email that they're going to receive right after they sign up. So we're going to make it a good welcome title. We could just do something simple such as welcome to six-figure affiliate blogging. And if we scroll down, this is the actual editor for creating your newsletter or your mailings or whatever you like. So right now it's set up. What you see is what you get, and they have a bunch of different features here. And I personally like to send out text emails, so we're just going to stay with that. But they also have a ton of video tutorials at blog.aweber.com/videos. And that'll walk you through all the different ways that you can customize and create different images and links, create fancy looking newsletters. You can do all that through these tutorials. So I'm just going to show you how to use everything and set up the autoresponder series instead. So right now it's set up, it says hello, and then the first name of the person. So that's cool because it actually looks like it's personalized to them. So we can just create a message right here. So now I've just filled this out so it relates with the person that is actually going to receive it. So now it says, hello, first name, I'm so excited to see that you've requested my free PDF full of blogger secrets. These same tips have helped thousands of new bloggers turn their sites into money-making machines. Over the next few days, I will be sending you some useful tips and resources. Keep in touch, Zach Johnson. So that looks good, and we can go down to save and next. And now we have the click tracking. If you want to track how many people click the links, then you can leave it like this. If you don't want to track it, you can uncheck it. But if you track it, you can actually get a good idea of how many people are clicking the links when they read the email. So we're going to go to save and exit. And now we can start seeing our follow-up sequence. So this email is being delivered to them immediately. And as you can see right there, it says send immediately. So now let's create the next email that will go out in that autoresponder series. Create a follow-up email. And now it's the same exact thing as before, but now we have to create a title for our second mailing. So we can just throw in a catchy title for the second mailing that we're sending out. And this would be a good one. How are you enjoying the free guide? And then we're going to come down here again and write a message that relates as well. This can either just be a follow-up, or it can actually be you pushing a product or something else as well. So I just filled this out real quick. It says, thanks again for downloading my six-figure affiliate blogging guide. Please let me know when your blog is live so I can check it out. In the meantime, please check out this page with my favorite blogging tips, and then you would send them to any URL of your choice, preferably your own website link or an affiliate link that you would actually be earning something for that referral. And then take care, Zach Johnson. So this looks good again. We can go down to save and then click on next. And now we decide when this email will go out in the sequence. And a good rule of thumb is to send out emails in a sequence every 3 days. So we're going to click off 3 right there. And we're going to track clicks again so we can go to save and exit. And we're actually going to see this load up in sequence on the next page, where it's going to show the email that's being sent out on the first day, and then also the email that's being sent out on the third day. So here we have it again. Welcome to six-figure affiliate blogging on that first one that's being sent out immediately. And then 3 days after that, they're going to get this email. How are you enjoying this free guide? So let's just walk through the process one more time so you can get a good idea of how this looks in the long run. So I just filled out everything again. On the top, we have the title, what are you struggling with? And then in the body section, it says blogging can be tough, especially when you are running out of content ideas. Check out this post to see how you can avoid writer's block. Then it has the URL and your name and all the same as last time. So go to save, next, and we're good to go. And this time, instead of doing 3 days, so let's say we do the sequence for 1 day, then 3 days, then 6, then 9, and this one's going to be in the future. So let's say after the whole autoresponder series, the first 2 weeks have finished, we want to send one out on day 21 just to do another follow-up, then that's fine. We make sure that the click tracking is enabled, go to save and exit, and then this is going to put it in line just like everything else before. So it doesn't matter how long your autoresponder sequence is, because this is going to make it all work out perfect. So you can schedule this as far as you want. So the first time, email is sent immediately. The next one is 3 days. Next one is 21 days. Now imagine how long this could be if you had 50 of them in there and someone was receiving a new email from you every other day. That's just a ton of value, and it's working for you nonstop. but make sure that you're actually providing value in each of these emails, because if you don't, then people are going to unsubscribe. So that's how easy it is to actually set up an autoresponder series through Aweber. All you have to do is make sure you're selected on your list, go to messages, click on follow up series, and then when that page loads, you're just going to click on create a follow-up, and then you can do a whole new series again.